friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Power BI Guru. So today we will discuss about same period last year function. It is a time intelligence function basically. So we can calculate what was the sales in last year and this year. We can compare those things. Like what was the revenue generated in the last year this time period and current year this time period. So that thing we can calculate and we can compare between them. So it basically returns a set of dates in the current selection from the previous year. So if we want to see the DEX of this, so DEX is same period last year bracket of dates. So we can see it from examples as well. Means we can go to our Power BI dashboard and now we can create those. How we can do? Let's see our data first, and after that we will come analyze what analysis we have to do. So this is the data. This is basically orders data. As we can see here, orders table is already imported. So this has order ID, order dates, and how many orders are created. So we will compare means how many orders are created in current month or quarter as compared to previous year, current month or quarter, whatever. So let's go to this. We will create a measure first. That is m underscore last year orders. Calculate. We will do the count of order IDs because that's how we will get all the orders, means whatever orders are created. So count of order IDs bracket close comma. Now we will press Alt Enter here. Same period, we can see in hint like same period last year function is there. So we will pass date field as well here. Date of date dot date. Something is wrong here, so it will come in brackets. Now we press enter and this measure is created. So we can see which table it is created. I think it's created in date table. So we will move this one to home table, this orders table now, because we always keep data in other tables, not in date table. Only date related data will come in date table. So now it is coming in orders table. So that is correct. So now we will create a chart. What we will pass here, the date fields in x-axis. So if we pass all the hierarchies, means we have to remove days and month and quarter for now. So we will see years and we will pass count of IDs. So where is order ID? This one. So we will pass this one in y-axis, count of order ID. So this is the count. So we can see here 2011, 12, 13, 14. What is the count? These numbers you can see. Now what we will do, we will pass another measure here, means measure in this y-axis, that is m last year orders. So this one I have passed here. So if you want to see means what is the data, we can change these names to current year. Orders and last year orders. If you are not able to view it correctly, we can give the data as well. Go to data labels, make a little bit more font size, so that you can easily view. I hope it's visible now. So we can see here for 2011 we don't have last year orders. Why? Because there is no data before 2011, means 2010 it is no data. So that's why it is blank here. So this one is previous year, this one is current year. So if you see 8998 orders came in 2011. So if we go here, this 8998 orders from previous year and 11K orders from current year. So this 11K moved to this next one with the blue one. This 10,962. Same we can see here, 10,962. So it is showing the data from previous year as well. If we add quarter here as well, so that we can see the data from quarterly basis. Let's see. So why these 4 quarters are not having previous year data? Because there is no data in its previous year. So it will compare the data of current year quarter to previous year quarter. So if we see this quarter 1 data, quarter 1 in 2012. So 2012, this one is basically from 2011 quarter 1. So quarter 1 2011 it was 1.4K, means 1350. So same number is here, 1350, as you can see. And like this one, if we go to next quarter, this is 2047, and here we can see 2047. So this is how it is calculating the data and doing the analysis. So I think this is clear to everyone. No, thank you.